Tesla Twitter blogger Omead Afshar has released an interesting picture of Tesla Giga Texas team. Look at this picture. Look how wonderful that is. How many people are already hired by Tesla Giga Texas. You can see the entire team, which to me seems like more than 1,000 people. You know, how many people do you think are this in this picture? Because in order for Tesla Giga Texas to produce and ramp up the production of Model Y, it needs at least several thousand people. Do you see several thousand people? Or maybe this is not the entire team, only by the team who were responsible for the rodeo event. And we're seeing 4 Tesla vehicles of different color, probably Model Ys, that are built at Tesla Giga Texas. So what do you think about this picture? How many people do you think are here? In the meantime, Tesla Giga Texas may still be following a deliberate ramp, friends, but work in the facility is ongoing at a rapid pace as the factory continues to produce Model Ys. Preparations at Giga Texas staging area are hinting at the volume of vehicles that will be coming out of the recently opened plant when it actually hits the pace. Also, Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently accommodated a delegation from Indonesia in Gigafactory Texas, and the group of the group from Indonesian delegation discussed a number of topics, among them being Indonesia's nickel deposits, which would be valuable for Tesla and its battery production efforts. Nickel is a crucial component of electric vehicle batteries, such as the 4680 cells that Tesla would be using for projects like the Cybertruck, Tesla Semi, and the next generation Roadster. Do you think Tesla may build a factory for battery production in Indonesia, or do you think Tesla may build its next gigafactory in Indonesia? Something is telling me that Tesla will need a second gigafactory in Asia. Now, will that be in Indonesia? I don't know. Where do you think Tesla will build its second gigafactory, in Asia, or next gigafactory that Tesla will announce? In the meantime, we have a wonderful video from Joe Techmeyer. Let's see how things are going at Tesla Giga Texas, and let's move on to our next Tesla story afterward. Tesla may have a pleasant surprise by the end of the year. What is that surprise? CEO Elon Musk is confident of a 50% growth in vehicle production in 2022 compared with a year ago. But Tesla, for that surprise, needs to get Giga Berlin and Giga Texas up and running. Actually, they are running, but they need to ramp up the production. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. On April 21, Tesla posted stronger than expected first quarter profits, record sales, and a bullish near-term outlook that defied Wall Street's forecasts. This all comes at a time when many companies, including Tesla, are being hit by inflation, raw material prices, and logistics costs. Now look what's happening in other industries as well. For example, my son writes Toyota coverage. He does Toyota coverage at TorqueNews.com, and looks like for hybrid you need to wait 4 months until your vehicle is available. Nevertheless, Tesla CEO Elon Musk told analysts during the company's earnings call that he felt good about the future for Tesla. Of course, you have 2 new gigafactories, Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, and possibly by the end of the year, I think Tesla may announce a new gigafactory. Anyway, Elon Musk said we remain confident of a 50% growth in vehicle production in 2022 versus 2021. Musk said, according to a transcript of the call. Here's what he said. He said, I think we actually have a reasonable shot at a 60% increase over last year. Let's see. Yes, let's see how it goes. I think, well, Giga Berlin, I have reported that Giga Berlin is going to have somewhere between 30,000 to 50,000 vehicles by the end of the year. That's not very much. Giga Berlin needs to ramp up production, and in my previous coverage, I have said why and what Tesla needs at Giga Berlin to ramp up production. Tesla at least needs to hire several thousand more people there, because with 3,500 or 4,000 people, you can't build 300,000 cars. But Tesla is actively hiring at Giga Berlin, and Giga Texas seems to be going well as well. The world's richest man Elon Musk also said that the vehicle production in the second quarter will most likely be similar to the first quarter, or perhaps slightly lower. But it's also possible we may pull a rabbit out of the hat and be slightly higher, Musk said. But then quarter 3 and quarter 4 will be substantially higher. So it seems like that we'll be able to produce over 1.5 million cars this year. That's my best guess, Elon said. Chief Financial Officer Zach Kirkhorn noted that higher pricing continues to positively impact our financials as we make progress delivering cars in our growing backlog. Now, Kirkhorn, who described the quarter as challenging but extremely successful, told analysts that delivery wait times for most Tesla vehicles are quite long. Now, when he says higher pricing, many of you may not understand whether higher pricing of materials or higher pricing of cars, because the material cost has gone up and car prices have gone up as well. Those cars delivered in quarter 1 generally carried pricing set in prior quarters and at levels lower than cars being ordered today, he said. Our per unit vehicle costs increased as well. Inflation, raw material prices, expedites, and logistics costs continue to impact our cost structures. Musk chimed in, explaining that prices of vehicles ordered now are really anticipating supplier and logistics cost growth that we're aware of and believe will happen over the next 12 months. Now, so that's why we have the price increases today, because a car ordered today will arrive in some cases a year from now, he said. So we have a very long list. That's where things are going, friends. Musk said that Shanghai facility is coming back with a vengeance. He said, so I think notwithstanding new issues that arise, I think we will see a record output per week from Giga Shanghai this quarter, albeit we are missing a couple of weeks. Musk has been quite a role lately. On April 7th, he inaugurated his new factory in Gigafactory Austin. So what do you think, friends? Let me know. This is Armen Aryan from TalkNews.com. Let's move on to our next Tesla story.